may I help you?
Yes, I'm trying to reach, I believe her name is Chris.
Chris Griffiths?
I'm not sure. They never told me last name. She's a supervisor at the Victim Witness Specialist Department.
Okay. I'll get you. I'll get her. Hold on.
This is Chris.
How you doing, Chris? I'm calling because I'm having a major matter happening right now. Last week I sent correspondence to Denise Daniels of the Victims Witness Specialist Department. And I received a letter came in, but it's to a fictitious address. It's in violation of 18 U.S.C. 1342, fictitious names and addresses. And I'm trying to get help. I'm calling the other number where Denise Daniels is located at, which is 904-301-6300. And I'm being refused help. I have some clown getting on the phone, refusing to transfer me to a supervisor, refusing. He has all the information in front of him. He's refusing to do his jobs or his obligations per his duties. Denise Daniels is in violation of 18 U.S.C. 1342 and 18 U.S.C. 1341. And you are her supervisor. I need to know what was in this letter that was sent because I will not accept it. It will be put back in the mailbox today and returned back to that location because it is in violation of the United States District Code. And no one seems to know the United States District Code, and all you work for the United States District. It doesn't make sense to me. I need to know.
What is the issue you're having? What did you complain to Ms. Daniels about? Are you having a legal problem?
I sent her evidence of criminal activity that's being done.
Okay.
She told me that she was going to forward first she tried to tell me I have to file a complaint with the FBI. I told her I would not do that. And
okay.
So I told her I'm going to send it to her so she could be witness to the situation, and she refuses to do anything, then she falls into the criminal activity by being a witness to the crimes and refusing to do her jobs, which I believe that's what she already did. That's what the letter says. Oh, I don't know what the letter says, but I'm believing that's what the letter says, that she's refusing to do her job. So again, 18 U.S.C. 1342 was just violated. Also 18 U.S.C. 1341. I need to know what was in this letter, what is going on with the matter.
So the letter you received, is that from the United States Attorney's Office in Jacksonville?
United States Department of Justice, United States Attorney's Middle District of Florida, 300 North Hogan Street, Suite 700.
Okay. Right, that's from the Jacksonville U.S. Attorney's Office.
And everyone there is refusing to even help me out.
Well,
Ms. Daniels is telling me not to call her no more. I'm calling the office, the main office line, and the receptionist is just hanging up on me, refusing to transfer me.
Did you open the letter from them? What did it say?
So you want me to violate 18 U.S.C. 1342?
Well, the letter's addressed to you, is it not?
I'm going to have to read to you 18 U.S.C. 1342.
Well, no. Is the letter that you have from the United States Attorney's Office in Jacksonville, is it addressed to you?
It's addressed to the proper name, but it's addressed also to a fictitious address. Are you you informing me, an employee of the United States District Court, are you informing me to open up this letter?
How did it get to you if it's not sent to?
Because the Postal Service only likes to deliver, or their system only recognizes fictitious addresses.
Okay, well, why don't you tell me what your initial complaint to Ms. Daniels is? Because she is correct. We do not conduct investigations at the United States Attorney's Office. So any complaint that comes from a citizen such as yourself gets...
I'm not a citizen. I'm sorry. I'm not a citizen.
Well, it doesn't matter. An individual such as yourself...
I'm not an individual. Please.
Any complaint gets sent to an investigative entity for follow-up. We don't conduct any investigation at the United States Attorney's Office. My guess is if you open the letter, it's going to tell you that your complaint was referred to some other agency for an investigation.
So why couldn't Ms. Daniels tell me that on the phone when I was just speaking to her?
Well, I don't know. Maybe the letter says if there's not we've reviewed it and there's not a violation of federal law. I mean, I don't know what she told you.
So
what the letter says.
18 USC 1342 and 18 USC 1341 and 28 USC 18 USC 1330. 18 USC 1501, 18 USC 1659 are not federal or don't fall within federal.
I'm not really sure why you're hesitant to open a letter that's clearly addressed to you.
It's a fictitious address, and 18 USC 1342 says if you accept a letter through the postal service to a fictitious name or address, you will become a felon, and you'll do 5 years. Are you trying to get me to do 5 years?
Well, Miss Daniels obviously sent the letter to you based on an address she got from you.
She altered it.
I'm not sure how she could. I guess I'm confused then as to how the letter got to you.
Again, she altered the address.
Well, then...
She purposely altered the address to get me to violate 18 USC 1342, which makes her violate 18 USC 1342 and 18 USC 1341, frauds and swindles.
Well, if you prefer to go directly to a federal agency to lodge your complaint, then I would recommend you call the FBI.
See, I'm not comprehending. I'm not comprehending. Why must I file a complaint with someone?
Because you're asking someone to conduct some kind of investigation.
No, I'm not asking no one to do nothing. I'm revealing criminal activity. I'm evidencing criminal activity.
Correct.
I'm not saying I wanna join with somebody to prosecute nothing. It's the United States District Court to prosecute. I revealed the evidence of criminal activity, and it's the United States District Court, the United States Attorney's Office, the United States Department of Justice's job to punish violators of United States District Code.
That's correct, but it's not the United States Attorney's job to conduct investigations. We don't have the ability to conduct investigations. They have to be conducted by law enforcement.
There is no law enforcement. There is no law enforcement. Tell me where I can find law enforcement.
If you believe that you have evidence of a crime, you can report it to local law enforcement, the sheriff's office, the police department. You can report it to the Florida law enforcement, such as the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. You can report it to federal law enforcement.
I reported it to you. I reported it to you. Oh, the IRS will get a copy of these crimes too. They will.
And again, if you send a complaint to Ms. Daniels,
I did not send a complaint. I sent evidence of criminal activity.
Well, if you send
do you understand? Do you comprehend the difference between filing a complaint and revealing or evidencing criminal activity?
Yes, we actually call them citizen complaints. But whatever you send to Ms. Daniels, she has protocol in place. If it's deemed to be a violation that merits federal investigation, it goes to the proper authorities for investigation. That's really all Ms. Daniels can do for you.
I want to know what's in this letter. I want to know what is said in this letter. Can you please contact Ms. Daniels and ask her what is in this letter, in this fictitious address letter that she sent over here?
I really don't know what you're talking about, but I'm happy to call her. What's your name?
You can call me Joseph.
Is that how she'll know you?
On the envelope it says Joseph Anthony.
Okay. What's your phone number, Mr. Anthony?
I'm not Mr. Anthony, and I'm not giving a phone number. Why must I give a phone number?
Well, how can I call you back?
I know I got my fingers work. I know how to dial.
Okay. Well, give me a day or two.
Wait, I need to wait a day or two before I get an answer of what's in this letter? Because I called her directly and she refused to inform me. She's telling me to open the letter, violate the law.
Well, I completely agree. Open the letter.
So
I think if you have her permission.
Hold on. I'm sorry. I gotta rewind real quick. This telephone conversation is being recorded for quality purposes, and you and a trustee.
Mr. Anthony.
I'm sorry. I'm speaking.
Joseph.
You, an employee of the Victims Witness Specialist Department over at the U.S. Department of Justice, United States Attorney's Middle District of Florida, are informing me to commit a crime?
I am not informing you to commit a crime.
You told me to open the letter. You just informed me to commit a crime.
The letter was mailed to you from Miss Daniels based on the address she got from
She
you.
altered
from the correspondence
it.
you provided to her. Well, I will contact her. If you'd like to give me a call tomorrow, I'll see if I can find out what's in the contents of the letter.
I'm going to give you a call tomorrow. I'm going to give you a call tomorrow.
Looking forward to it.
And I'm informing you right now as her supervisor that she violated 18 U.S.C. 1342 and 1341. And I'm recording this call for quality purposes, and I will post it on YouTube later. And then I will inform you of the URL where you can go see the video of criminal activities being perpetrated by trustees of the United States Department of Justice, United States Attorney's Office, Middle District of Florida, 300 North Hogan Street, Suite 700, Jacksonville, Florida, 32202. Criminal activities. I will post it to YouTube. And I will send it also to the proper authorities. So if Denise Daniels is not dealt with properly, then I'm going to come after you too. Because you are a supervisor, and I just informed you she violated the law. If you don't know the law that I'm talking about, you are obligated to go look up the law. So I will be calling you back tomorrow.
Okay.
And I will reveal all evidence done by any person that perpetrates fraud.
Okay. I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.